friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creation. Today I'm not going to show you all any DIY, any art and craft. Today I have planned to trim my hair and color it. So what do you think? Do you want to see how I have a new look and a makeover of hair and will give you some tips on hair care. So come with me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notification. Let's go for makeover for hair. Got ready, left my home early morning with my hubby. He drove me to city and we had a long drive. Reach salon, meet Marlo, my hair specialist. He is going to make over my hair. So my friends, I'm just going to ask him how short he's going to trim my hair and which color he is going to apply. We started our discussion about coloring, trimming and how to protect and take care of my hair. He gave me a few nice tips for coloring, shampoo and so on. He said, changing your hair color is about transforming. You should know the texture of your hair. Does it feel normal? Is it still shiny? Conditioning too often can even fade your hair. Hair color should reflect your lifestyle. And he started coloring my hair. He also mentioned when you style your hair with hot tools or experiment with different hair colors, you need a cleansing routine that will coddle, not strip your hair. That's the reason you need a sulfate-free shampoo. They lock in moisture, prevent color from fading too fast and won't irritate a sensitive scalp as my hair is very sensitive. Look how very minutely he's coloring it. And my friends, this video is taken in mid of December 2018 as we had a plan to go visit my sister-in-law in US. We had a trip to USA. Very soon you will be watching video about this topic and what fun and how we celebrated Christmas, New Year, shopping and masti. So stay tuned with me. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos whenever I upload new video on my channel. Every girl, woman, man should know about hair care tips. Now I'm not telling you to completely overhaul your current hair care routine and buy all new hair products, but there are certain simple tips and tricks that you can follow that can bring about a massive improvement in your hair in just few days. Use lukewarm or cold water, dilute the shampoo, gently massage, apply conditioner only on the ends. Don't wash your hair every day. Yeah, that's it. I was really tired sitting and then my husband bought juice for me and cold drink for him. I had to wait for a couple of minutes and then he continued with my hair. Later he cleaned my hair. I don't know what type of treatment he was giving me. And again he colored it. If you really like your hair color but want to add it some depth, dimension and trendy feel, you should go for highlights. In my upcoming videos, I am going to show my family trip to USA, Christmas celebration, celebrated birthday and funny face pie game, masti and many more. So don't forget to watch it. And if you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell button for my latest videos and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you want to find more videos on art and craft, click the eye icon up here. Actually, I just wanted to color my hair, but he suggested to go for highlight. Oh my God, look, my look. He said, it's done and relax for a while. washed my hair and trimmed it. I love this session of steaming my hair. I really thank my husband for caring me so much. He is the one who wants me to look beautiful, perfect always. And all credit goes to him for my hair makeover. Friends, do let me know in the comment below what type of videos do you want me to make in future. And now blower. Giving final touch. Yeah, it's done. Look at me, a different look. Marlo is just praising me that your husband will love to see you. He was looking for him. I really thank him for giving me a new look, taking care of my hair. He said that earlier when I used to come, I had a very hard, a rough hair with knots. Now it's really smooth and silky. If you want to have your makeover, do visit his salon. Find his address and his Instagram link below in the comment box. How did you find this video? It was not about DIY art and craft. It was a makeover. So dear friends, how did you like my new look? Don't forget to comment below and don't forget to like, share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notification. See you soon. Till then, Namaste. So friend, what do you think about my